your grill game is gonna go strong. The cleaning part, at least. I don't know about your cooking. The cleaning grill is the worst part. So, giddy up. Let's unbox. And I have a couple cool ways to use it elsewhere. There are instructions. I've never seen a brown charge cord. Weird. And then the man of the hour. Oh, already going strong. It's got a good weight to it. You can do this in the dark. Obviously, do not use on a hot grill. This looks bad AF. You got your charge port right here, USB-C. So the actual roller aspect is 304 stainless steel. It's really heavy duty. It's like if a power tool and a grill brush had a baby. Ready to obliterate. Got a very nice grippy silicone handle. So obviously you need to clean this thing too. You've got a rotating dial. Spin it, open it, pop it off. Literally that simple. Can go in the dishwasher. And then you can wipe that down, give it a good old giddy up. So basically it's made out of meshed chains. Little tiny loops in the flower of life pattern. As a registered dietitian, this is what I would recommend getting because of safety. If you get those tiny little grill brush metal fibers in your body, people go to the hospital for that. So this is 350 RPMs, and it's gonna blast away grime like no other. I can get my use even in the winter. Bristle-free, powerful, light show. It's got a good scraper on it, and it's easy to clean. What more can you ask for? Oh right, a strap. And then you're also gonna see your battery level right here. So your battery's gonna charge in 3 to 4 hours. So as you can see, it's not just a grill brush, and you're not scrubbing for hours. It's doing all the work for you. Let's clean her up. Just a little bit of soap and water. Dry that off, give it a good shake, and then give this a good wipe down on the inside. And you're good to go. I love this thing. Highly recommend.